Everyone ignored this poor orphan boy, until one evening, God sat beside him as a tired old man. Alex was just a boy when life took everything from him. No parents, no home worth calling a home, only a broken wooden shack standing alone in the countryside. Villagers passed him every day. Some ignored him, some mocked him, some treated him like he didn't exist at all. Yet every morning, Alex woke up and worked, carrying water, chopping wood, cleaning yards. Some days he earned a little food. Some days he earned nothing. But every night, when the world fell silent, Alex whispered a simple prayer. God, I don't ask for big things. Just please don't forget me. One afternoon, Alex worked under the burning sun for a strict man named Mr. Carter. Wood, water, heavy sacks that burned his shoulders. When the day ended, Alex received a small bag of food. To anyone else, it was nothing. To Alex, it was hope. But hope doesn't last long in a cruel world. On his way home, older boys blocked his path. They laughed, they pushed him, they threw his food into the dirt. Alex didn't fight back. He knelt down, picked up what he could, and felt something break inside his chest. Looking up at the sky, he whispered, God, am I really that invisible? Please give me strength, not to become like them. As the sun began to fall, Alex walked past a quiet river. There, sitting on a rock, was an old man, thin, tired and weak. The man spoke softly. Good evening, son. Do you have anything to share? I haven't eaten today. Alex looked at his bag. So little food, barely enough for himself. Then he remembered his mother's words, words from a life that felt like a dream. When you give from the heart, you are never truly empty. With trembling hands, Alex took the best piece of bread, cleaned it, and gave it to the old man. The man smiled. Thank you, son. You are kind. For the first time that day, Alex felt something warm inside. The old man asked Alex to help him walk. Slow steps, quiet trees, a peaceful path. Then the old man stopped. He looked at Alex, and his eyes shone with a light that didn't belong to this world. Do you know who walked with you today, Alex? Alex answered honestly. Just a tired old man, sir. The light grew brighter. I walked with you the night you cried alone. I heard every prayer you whispered. I saw every tear you thought no one noticed. Alex's heart trembled. But I only prayed to God. The man smiled gently. I am the God who never left you. Alex fell to his knees, tears streaming down his face. I thought you forgot me. God touched his head softly. I never abandoned you. You chose kindness while carrying pain. God touched Alex's food bag. Suddenly, it became heavy. Inside were fresh bread, rice, fruit, and more than Alex had ever seen. What you give with love, God said, I return multiplied. Alex walked home that night, not just full, but peaceful. From that day forward, something changed. People noticed the light in him. Good hearts found him, opportunities opened. Life wasn't perfect, but Alex never felt alone again. Every time he passed the river, he remembered the day God walked beside him. This story is for you. If you feel forgotten, if life feels unfair, if you give more than you receive, remember this: God sees your kindness. God sees your silent tears. And God never forgets a good heart. Sometimes miracles don't come as thunder, but as a tired stranger, a quiet choice, or a small act of love.
You are not walking alone.